In the period of 2003 to 2008, India achieved an average growth rate of 8.5%, mainly on the back of growth in service sector. With this growth came unemployment, and in this 1 minute, we will learn all about the concept of jobless growth in the Indian economy. There was a smooth shift from agriculture to services when it came to contribution to GDP. In 1947, the contribution of agriculture to GDP was 60% and services was 14%. By 2018, the contribution of services to GDP was 55% and agriculture was 18%. This shift, however, could not absorb all the labor present in India, and since 1991, unemployment began to rise. There are many reasons for why the service sector could not absorb all the labor present in India. First, service sector is capital intensive, not labor intensive. Second, service sector requires skills and expertise which people engaged in agriculture did not have. And third, there was problem of disguised unemployment and underemployment. Due to all these reasons, the service sector did contribute to India's growth, but the growth was jobless, and since the sector could not absorb excess labor.